Welcome to 3221 Zaher in Auburn Hills, Michigan. This 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home will truly impress you. Hey guys, Rich Sparks, Keller Williams Realty Associate Broker. Boy, do I have an awesome house for you today. Come on in and check it out with me. This one-of-a-kind, stunning craftsman style home will take your breath away. Let's go inside and check it out. Only 4 years old, this home has been transformed from a very nice builder's spec home to an incredible beauty. As you walk through the house, notice all the extras that have been put into it. The wainscoting in the library here is just gorgeous. And then look at the light fixtures. There is no builder package going on in here. Check this light fixture out. The homeowners here keep an incredibly beautiful house. Here again, you can see the custom light fixtures that they put in. It is coming with a full stainless steel appliance package in the kitchen and washer and dryer also. Upgraded granite countertops, a large pantry, very nice cherry cabinets, and lots of counter space. So if you enjoy cooking, you're really going to enjoy this kitchen. Now in the family room here, this room is fantastic. Looking out over the backyard, beautiful gas fireplace, lots of space. This is one of my favorite areas. The drop zone back there, you'll definitely be using. Well, let's go upstairs and check this out. The wrought iron spindles are very nice. Beautiful chandelier coming in. Here again, so far beyond builder grade stuff, it's not even funny. They have totally transformed this house in the short period that they've lived there. They are the original owners. Very spacious master suite. You feel like soaking in a tub? No worries. Or if you just enjoy a shower in a lot of space, this will work for you. Notice how clean and how meticulously it's been maintained. Now, just as a note, the seller is excluding the curtains in the bedrooms just because it goes with their children's motifs for their rooms that they'll be setting up in their new home. And here again, regardless of which room you go into, everything's been customized a little bit. I love the chandelier with the little hearts here. Basement's unfinished with an egress window, ready for you to enlarge and make a great space. But let's check out this backyard. They did a ton of work back here. This is a fenced-in yard with a custom patio that was put on. And we'll get in real close here so you can see it. They did the gravel top patio, so even in the winter, or if it gets a little wet, you don't have to worry about slipping and falling. So notice that it is textured. They've really made this backyard an oasis, someplace to escape that everyday struggles that we all go through, where you can come home and truly relax. Not only is this a great house, but it's a great neighborhood. Conveniently located to Oakland University, don't miss out on this property. I think you're going to love it. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this video, but if you're serious about buying a home and you want to go from being an average buyer to a super buyer, then don't miss our upcoming home buying seminar. Click the registration link below. I hope to see you there. We're going to have some fun and learn a lot.